guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you a video on my oh so juicy twist out routine. It's my go-to protective style, and I believe this is the style that has helped me to maintain my hair's health. So if you need to give your hair that extra TLC and help it to retain some sort of moisture and just to give your hair a little break, this is the perfect protective style for you. So keep watching and let's get straight to the video. At this current time, I'm working with hair that hasn't been washed for about 4 weeks. I straightened my hair about 4 weeks ago. So I'm desperately needing my hair to have a little break and just have that moisture retained. So I'm starting with wash and deep conditioned hair. I'll have a video up soon about my homemade DIY hair mask that I use. How to make it focus? Doesn't really work, does it? So here I'm using the ORS Olive Oil for Naturals, the leave-in conditioner cream. During my washing process, I sectioned my hair off into 4 parts anyway, so my hair was already parted in 4 parts. And then I split each part into 2, just so that I can get the product distributed properly. And also making sure to get the product on the ends. And then I'm going in with my homemade growth oil. Let me know if you would like a video on that. And then I'm going in with the ORS Olive Oil for Naturals, the Hydrating Hair Butter. Oh, it does work. Yes. I did it. I'm taking a pea-sized amount and just smoothing that through my hair. And then lastly, I'm going in with the ORS Olive Oil Wrap and Set Mousse. Taking about 2 pumps and smoothing that through my hair as well. And then I finish it off by twisting that section. And then you just repeat those steps for each section.
Oh my god! How the... It's got it on go! What?
I'm always satisfied with my twist outs because I know that I'm not damaging my hair. I'm keeping it up, I'm not manipulating it too much, and my hair has grown. Honestly, in the past year, my hair has grown so much. I think I'm almost at waist length, but I'll have a video about my hair journey and what my current state of my hair looks like and hair length check and all that. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell on so that you can get notifications for when those videos do come out, and give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy watching it. Right, so we're finished with putting all our products in. We're just gonna go ahead and take out all the twists, and I'm gonna make a parting going straight down the middle of my head. You're right there, mate. That was the funniest scream. And then I part each section in half again. So we're going back to having 4 parts. This is just me trying to attempt to get the partings as neat as possible. Well, that didn't really go to plan, but yeah.
Oh, how did this happen?
Just try to get them as neat as possible. I don't know why they came out so off-key this time, but I usually get them to look quite decent at the back, but hey. So to just give you a little demonstration of what I'm doing, I'm starting off with a little plait at the top, just so that you can have that secureness at the top, and then I just go ahead and twist out the rest. And towards the end it tends to get a little bit dry, so I just use some of that hydrating hair cream to put on the ends, and just continue to do that same technique with the whole section. So I ended up having about 6 or 7 plaits in the back and about 7 or 8 plaits in the front. But I did my partings a bit inaccurate anyway, so one side had more twist than the other. But it didn't matter to me anyway, because I usually wear my hair up in a bun when I have this style. So we're at the last twist, thank goodness. It took me about half an hour to do all the twists. I think I wore these for about 4 weeks. I know it's ridiculous, but yeah, they're real tatty towards the end. But I do have a video of how I refreshed them throughout the weeks. When I took the plaits down, there was moisture. My hair was so shiny. So I really do recommend this protective style and the combination of products that I use to retain moisture in your hair. These ORS for Natural products made me change my go-to leave-in conditioning cream. That's how good the products are, so I really do recommend those ones. If you have dry and frizzy hair, because my hair is quite hard to tame, it's quite dry and quite frizzy, so I really do recommend those products. So that's how I do my juicy twists. I hope you tried this routine and products out, and let me know in the comments below if you've tried it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. The video for the hair mask will be coming out soon as well, so make sure to turn that notification bell on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!